Hi guys, this is our basement, and in this video we are going to be making the basement walls. So we've got the wood in, and we've used the chalk line to lay out where the walls are going to be. So let's start building the walls. My dad measures all of the walls to make sure that they are really straight. He uses a 90-degree angle to measure, and then he uses the nail gun to put the walls together, and after, with my mom's help, he puts the walls up. Here we've got another wall laid out, and my dad's putting this one together too. Dennis is making his own little thing with the scraps of wood. Here are the two walls that my mom and dad have put up right now. And my dad is working on a third wall right now. So we've gotten 3 walls put up in the basement already. In the video it looks a lot faster than it actually is. Now we are going to work on the floor of the entrance. This is gonna be where we walk into the house, and there will be 2 sets of stairs going down and up to the basement and the first floor, and the entrance will be in between. To make sure the bottom pieces of wood are really well secured, my dad has a special tool that drills through the piece of wood and the concrete and makes a hole where he can hammer the screw into that will hold the piece of wood to the concrete, and then we are going to build the floor up off of those pieces of wood. This floor we are doing very similar to the way we did the subfloor. So we've gotten the base of the floor put together, and now we are going to cover it with plywood. My dad is using a special kind of glue for gluing plywood and wood together, and after he's done applying the glue, he will stick the plywood that we've cut out over top, and then he will make sure the plywood is all level and screw it in place so that it will be held together really nicely. My dad is putting insulation and foaming the sides, because after the floor is covered up, we wouldn't be able to put the insulation on the sides, so we are doing it right now. For this piece of plywood, it is the same. First, my dad is gonna apply the glue, then he's gonna put the piece of plywood over top, and it also connects to the other piece of plywood that we put on using the tongue and groove, and they will hold together. And after, my dad will also screw the piece of plywood in place so it will be held together very well. and then he will use the router to cut the edges of wood off so it's all straight on the edge too. Now that we finished the floor in the entrance, we are going to continue working on the basement walls. So my dad is putting together a big wall right now, and he's using the nail gun to nail it together. Here's how the basement looks like, and we've gotten lots of walls up. So here's another video of how all of our walls look like. From this angle, maybe you can see better. And now we are going to be working on the stairs. So my parents are thinking about how they are going to make the stairs. And then we're gonna start making the stairs. Measuring the stairs is hard. We changed our design for the stairs, and right now my dad is making sure that the way that he cut this piece of wood will work to hold the stairs. And after he made sure that this way will work, he's gonna outline it to make 2 more of these exact same pieces so that we could have 3 pieces of wood holding our stairs up, and they will all be the same size. See, here we've got the 3 pieces of wood that my dad traced out for the stairs, and we're covering them in plywood so that you can walk on them. My dad is gluing the plywood on and then also screwing it on after so that it stays on really well. It takes a long time to do the stairs. It takes a long time to do the stairs because you have to count everything so that the stairs will all feel the same. But for that, they wouldn't all have the same measurements. So we have to count everything, and it takes a long time to cut everything and measure and put the whole thing together. Here we're working on the second set of stairs that will go to the second floor. We finished the first set. For the second set, it's gonna take a long time to put the stairs up. To get the stairs up to the second floor, my parents used the ladder and they just had the 3 pieces that we had cut out just being held together by a couple of pieces of plywood so that the stairs would be lighter when they put them up. So they held them, and my dad went on the ladder and screwed the tops in, and that's how my parents got the stairs up. And then after, my dad glued and screwed all of the stairs, like pieces of plywood on after, because if they would have done it before, then the stairs would have been heavier and harder to put up. So we've gotten the stairs and most of the walls up. It took a lot longer than it looks in the video. And thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!